What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Cloud Manufacturing. I hope you're having a great time checking out everything I got to show you. I'm having a great time as well. Today we're going to get into a short film. I know I always say that, but it's going to actually be short this time, I promise. All right, it's going to be very, very useful for all you people out there. All you Mastercamiacs. All right, guys? Before we dive in, let everybody know I can make parts for you. I can help you. I can give you my services for charges outside of what you're seeing here. If there's any questions you have for Mastercam VMC, preferably third and fourth access, because I don't want to get it more complicated than it needs to be. Any questions regarding that, let me know in the description below, and I'll get you started with the video, man. Anyway, don't forget to drop in and check out my Patreon account and get your free tool libraries. There's downloads on there that are valuable to you. Okay? So let's dive right in, man. Let's go. Let's see what we got. So today, what I got is, this is going to be how to change all of your parameters. You can change your whole entire, every single toolpath you got, or you can change a group. Okay? What do I mean by that? So yeah, I can grab Op4, right click, edit selected parameters. See, edit selected parameters, edit common parameters. Click that. Now you can change whatever you select here. You can change this, and it changes for every one of the toolpaths you had selected. So let's say you wanted to turn the coolant on for everything. Make sure it was on. What if you were worried that the coolant was off? Because God dang it, the coolant's off! And they're going to come up and yell at you, what do you do when the coolant's off? Okay? And then now you don't got to deal with that because you just did this. Okay, you just turn the coolant on for everything, right? Now, let's say, you're doing fourth access programming. This is what you need to do. You go in here, every time you get done with the whole entire group, so you get done with this group, come in here, edit selected parameters, edit common parameters. You go into the planes. You change every one of these planes. So you go in here and you call that your beginning work coordinate. Hit green check, and they're all going to change for you. Green check. Boom, 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 boom. See that? Oh, my gosh. What'd you do? What did you do? Oh, let's see. See, I screwed them all up. Now, what do? You go back. Okay, it's Op4, so it must be plane 4. I'm going to go back in there, and let's fix that, everything here. Part Op2. Oh, no. See, I'd have all my levels correct. See? So now I know I can come to this part Op4. So any guy on planet Earth can just, oh, yeah, look at that. No, we're just going to re-put that plane on there. Boom. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my film. Take it easy, you guys.